श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्या सुमनसः सर्वार्थानाम् उपक्रमेण नत्वा कृतकृत्या सुतं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमर्षि हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभाणमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं मन्त्रयामिनं। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन पद्मं शतमविचचकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा गुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतयं निवसद्वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरमधुराक्षरमारुह्य कविताशाखामन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। मनोजवमारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सरदुर्मतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुसितमग्रे भाषयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वमुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। वामे भूमिसुतापरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादुकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम आञ्जनेयस्वामी की जय। ஏழையேதலன் கீழ்மகன் எண்ணாதிரங்கி மற்றவர் கிண்ணருள் சுரந்து மாழை மான் மடநோக்கியும் தோழி உம்பி எம்பி என்றொழிந்திலை உகந்து தோழன் நீ என கிங்கொழி என்ற சொற்கள் வந்தடியேன் மனத்திருந்திட ஆழிவண்ணனின் அடியினை அடைந்தேன் அணிபொழில் திருவரங்கத்தம்மானே. திருமங்கை ஆழ்வார் பாசுரம். The friendship with Guha has been celebrated by Alvar here. Kamban in his Ramayanam, Tamil Ramayanam, says through the mouth of Rama, when Rama meets with Vibhishana, at that time he says, Guhanodu Aivaranum. Guhanodum Aivaranum. With Guha, we became 5. We were initially 4 brothers, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna. Ana, with Guha added Guharodu Aivaranum. And then he says with Sugriva Aruvaranum, we became 6. And now with you, we are 7 brothers. Abdina Rama does not make friends, he makes brothers. Everybody becomes brothers to Rama. Apdi oru saubhratritvam. Amongst the many Kalyana gunas of Bhagavan, the guna that we celebrate the most is Saushilyam, Saulabhyam. Saulabhyam abdina easy to access. But we sang a bhajan. That bhajan is very appropriate. It is almost as though Guha is singing that to Rama. Ayodhya Shironmani Dasharatha Rama அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். பிராண சகா அப்படின்னு கூப்பிடுறான். ராமஸ்ய ஆத்ம சமசகா அப்படின்னு வால்மீகி சொல்றான். பிராண சகா அப்படி. If we are able to call Bhagavan Prana Sakha, Atma Sakha, all of us are able to call out to him. On what basis, on what authority can we call out like that? There is a great emperor, a great king. Can the local fellow walking on the street is my friend? Does he have any authority, any right to call him his friend? ஆனால் இங்கே we are all casually uttering these terms Atmasakha, Pranasakha அப்படின்னா we are singing to Bhagavan. On what basis can we sing this அப்படின்னா Guha is the basis upon which we sing this. Guhan தான் அதுக்கு அக்ரகண்யம். Friendship with Bhagavan was established by Guha first. சக்கிய பக்தின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, குஹனோடு தான் முதல்ல சொல்லணும். அர்ஜுனாலாம் அப்புறம் தானே வந்தான். Even with Arjuna, at least Arjuna was a family member of Krishna. He was a royal prince and so on. In several ways he can have some equality with Krishna's status. Avan Sakhanu சொன்னா சரி. Uddhava similarly was a friend of Krishna. He was also the minister of Krishna. He was also a member of Krishna's clan, family, etc. Adanal he also may have some equal rights to call upon Krishna as his friend. And if all of us also call Bhagavan as our friend, அப்படின்னா எங்கேந்திரா கிளம்பினால் நீங்கள்லாம் எங்கேருந்து வந்தது அப்படி ஒருப்பட்ட ஒரு துணிச்சல் அப்படின்னு கேட்டால், where did you get this kind of courage to call the Lord as your friend? அப்படின்னா Guhan is the example for us. Guhan is the leader for all of us. Guhan does not call Bhagavan as his friend. Bhagavan calls him as his friend. ஏழை ஏதலல் கீழ்மகள் எண்ணாது. ஏழை, he is a poor fellow. ஏதலன், he is a servant of ours. கீழ்மகன், he is a low caste person born in the family of hunters. என்று எண்ணாது அப்படின்னு நினைக்கலையேப்பா. Rama, you did not think of Guha as a lowly person, as a person of an inferior caste, inferior status, inferior birth, inferior qualities. You did not think of him as a poor, wretched, miserable person. ஆனால் என்ன பண்ண அப்படின்னா, மற்றவர் கின்னருள் சுரந்து, மற்ற அவருக்கு இன்னருள் சுரந்து. First of all, the fact that you did not think of him as anything less than you itself is a great grace. But as though that is not enough, மற்ற on top of it, in அருள் சுரந்து, you gave him extraordinary grace. எப்படின்னா, மாழை மான்மட நோக்கி உன் தோழி, he calls Sita, Sita come here. உடனே சீதா வந்து நிற்கிறாங்க. இப்போ யார் தெரியுமாடா? குஹா, she is your friend அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். உன் தோழி, she is your sister, she is your friend அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். Ramar is telling to Guha, மாழை மான்மட நோக்கி, மாழை மான்மட நோக்கி அப்படின்னா, she with the eyes of the deer, the innocent Sita with the eyes like that of the deer. என்ன பிரிஷ் அப்படி இருக்கும் இல்லையா, மிருகாட்சி அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். லுக்கிங் அட் சீதா he says, உன் தோழி, she is your friend. நீ எவ்வளோ ஃப்ரெண்டாக நினச்சிக்கோ. உம்பி எம்பி, எம்பி அப்படின்னா என் தம்பி, மை பிரதர் லக்ஷ்மணா. உம்பி இஸ் யோர் பிரதர். உம்பி எம்பி என்றொழிந்திலை. You said that and you were not satisfied with that also. You said he is your friend, she is your friend, he is your brother னு சொன்னி. You were not satisfied with that. உகந்து தோழன் நீ எனக்கிங்கொழி, நீ எனக்கு தோழன், you are my best friend, you stay here itself. இங்கொழி, இங்கே இருடா, stand next to me, be by my side அப்படின்னு என்ற சொற்கள், those words of yours with which you dealt with Guha, the words with which you created that beautiful relationship with Guha, where it was not only to yourself, you even extended it and said, Sita is your friend, Lakshmana is your brother, I am you are my friend ன்னு எல்லாரையும் இழுத்து வளைச்சு போட்டியே என்ற சொற்கள் வந்து அடியேன் மனத்திருந்திட. These words are coming and residing in my heart. These words are what I am going to hold on to. It is by the support of these words that I know I can also forge a relationship with you. ஆழி வண்ண நின் அடியினை அடைந்தேன். Because of the power of these words that you told Guha, I also have confidence and therefore I have come and reached your lotus feet. ஆழி வண்ண, O ocean hued Lord, நின் அடியினை அடைந்தேன். I have come to your lotus feet. அணிபொழில் திருவரங்கத்தம்மானே. O Lord of Srirangam, of extraordinary beauty, I have reached your lotus feet. And if you ask me on what qualifications, on what basis you came here, it is on the basis of the words of love that you extended to Guha. அப்படின்னு ஆழ்வார் is enjoying this meeting, this milan of Sri Ramachandra with Guha Peruman. நம்ம பரிபாஷையெல்லாம் குஹப்பெருமான் தான் சொல்லுவோம், குஹனை இல்லையா, குஹப்பெருமான் அப்படின்னு. த கிரேட் குஹா, மகாத்மான்னு அர்த்தம். பெருமான்னா மகாத்மா. ஏன் மகாத்மா அப்படின்னா, ஏன்னா பகவான் would consider him as his friend and hug him to his chest அப்படின்னால், then what an extraordinary person he must be. அதனால இங்க in the episode of Guha, the meeting with Guha, Rama demonstrates adequately his Saushiliyam, that he is easy for us to access. All of us can access him very easily. ஆனால் அதுக்கு என்ன வேணும் அப்படின்னா, what is required for that அப்படின்னா, இங்கே சொன்னோம் நேத்திக்கே, ஸ்வாகதம் தே மகாபாகோ தவேயம் அகிலாமஹி வயம் பிரேஷ்யா பவான் பர்த்தா சாதுராஜ்யம் பிரசாதினா. இந்த வாக்கியத்தில் தான் இருக்கு. What should our attitude be அப்படின்னா, what attitude should we have that brings about this attitude from Bhagavan அப்படின்னா, இங்க குஹன் says this first. He says ஸ்வாகதம் தே மகாபாகோ, welcome to you. தவேயம் அகிலம், எல்லாம் உன்னுடையதுப்பா, all this is yours. வயம் பிரேஷ்யா, we are servants. பவான் பர்த்தா, you are our master. அப்படின்னு we cultivate the attitude that we are all servants of the Lord will reciprocate it by saying you are my best friend. How do you become his friend? By becoming a servant. நீ servant ஆயிடணும். You should become a servant. He does not consider anybody as a servant. அவன் எல்லாரையும் ஃப்ரெண்ட் கூப்பிடுறான். நம்ம சொல்றோம் தாசோகமு கோசலேந்திரஸ்ய, நம்ம சொல்லணும், we should say I am Rama's servant. Rama never calls us his servant. They are all my servants. Rama சொல்ல மாட்டா. Rama will say they are all my friends. இல்லைனா they are all my brothers அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Where is Rama? Where is monkey Sugriva? Where is Rama? Where is a hunter, a tribal, forest dwelling tribal person like Guha? Where is Rama's status? Enna? What is the equality in status? Analum Rama says, because you said you are my servant, I will consider you as my friend. அதனால Guha's story, the reason why we discuss it in all the various versions of Ramayana, so much importance, Guha's story is narrated to us because Guha dedicates himself to Rama in such an extraordinary manner. அவன் சொல்றான், Rama, we said yesterday, did not accept anything that Guha brought. He said all of this, we are happy, we understand your intentions, but a bit of water is enough for us. அப்படின்னு second night Rama is drinking only water. First, on the night of coronation, he did not eat anything. Second night spent at the banks of Tamasa river, he did not eat anything. This is the third night that he has come to the banks of Ganga. Here also he is not eating anything. இங்கேயும் சாப்பிடல, வெறும் தண்ணி தான். ஜலமேவா வததே போஜ்யம் அப்படி, ஜலமேவா ததே போஜ்யம், வெறும் ஜலம் தான். A bit of water was all that he partook as his refreshment, as his food, which Lakshmana brought. Lakshmanena hritam swayam. Lakshmana brought that water, he drank that water, that is all he had for the third night running. Only after crossing Ganga and so on, he is going to start eating. Adarku chaapade kediyadu. They brought grass and leaves and so on to make a beautiful bed under the tree for Rama, Sita and Lakshmana. Rama laid himself down upon it along with Sita. Lakshmana could not sleep. Guha was sitting there, he also could not sleep. Lakshmana went and sat next to Guha. Last night also Lakshmana has not slept. Lakshmana sat and spoke the whole night with Sumanthara. If Rama is not eating, abdina Lakshmana is not sleeping also. At least Rama is sleeping, அப்படின்னா இங்கே Lakshmana is not even sleeping அப்படின்னா அப்படி ஒரு அகம் சர்வம் கரிஷ்யாமின்னு சொன்னதுனால, I will serve you in every way என்ன சொன்னான் இல்லையா, அதனால இங்கே காமிக்கிறான் he is not even sleeping. It's not the time to sleep now. அப்படி அலர்ட்டாக இருக்கான். He is alert. First ஃபாரஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கோமே அப்படி. அப்போ when he is alert sitting there like that, Guha looks at that. Tam jagritamадam vena भ्रातुरर्थाय लक्ष्मणं गुहः संतापसंतप्तो राघवं वाक्यमब्रवीत्. Looking at Lakshmana sitting awake for the sake of his brother, Guha was very moved and he started to talk to Lakshmana. iyam tata sukha shayya. My dear brother, this is a very comfortable bed for you. Are you not preferring to lie down because you think this is not comfortable? We have made it very comfortable, although it is only made up of grass, but we have put enough layers to make it comfortable. Adanala, iyam tata sukha shayya. Unakku dhaan pannirkom. Tvadartham upakalpita. We have made it only for you, for your sake. Adanala, you sleep in this. Pratyashvasihi sadvyasyaam rajaputra yatha sukham. Adanal nee paduthuko. You sleep happily in this. Sleep happily in this. Don't worry about me. Don't think, oh, but you are awake. Do not even think about it. Uchito yam jana sarvaha kleshanam tvam sukhochitaha. I am, for all of us people, in the klesham, this difficulty, these are all nothing for us, forest people. Sometimes we have to keep awake in the night when we go for hunting and so on. We have to keep vigil in the night. We take turns to keep awake, to keep on watch and so on. We are all used to it. Uchitoyam janasarve ayam janaha. All these people, for us, we are used to this kind of klesha. Anal tvam sukochitaha. You are only used to happiness and pleasure. You are Rajakumaran. You are from the kingdom. You are a prince of the kingdom. How will you be accustomed to these kind of hardships? You sleep. And don't worry about Rama. I know you are awake because you want to protect Rama. Keep awake for sake of Rama. Guptyartam jagarishyamaha. We will keep awake for the sake of protection. Kakustasya vayam nisham. The whole night all of us will keep awake. No danger will come to Rama. Don't worry, you sleep. You sleep. You don't believe me? Nambaliya, you don't believe me? Nahi Ramat priyatamo mamasti bhuvikashchana. Nahi Ramat priyatamaha mamasti bhuvikashchana. There is nobody dearer to me than Rama in this entire universe. In the entire world, there is nobody that is dearer to me than Rama. Bravim yedadaham satyam satye naiva sachate shape. And Nambaliyani, do you not believe me that I will keep awake? I promise you, on the name of truth itself, in the name of truth, I swear to you that Rama is dearer to me than my very life. There is nobody more dear to me than Rama in this entire world. I shall look after him. Certainly, I shall look after him. Yen asya prasadad ashamse lokesmin samuhudyashaha. Dharmavaptim cha vipulam arthavaptim cha kevalam. Asya prasadat. It is only by the grace of this Rama that in this world, asmin loke, so mahatyasha, the great fame I am able to earn by the practice of dharma and by the practice of artha, the purusharthas, only because of his grace. Only guided by him, seeking his grace, I am able to do all of this. Adanala, I owe him a great debt of gratitude. And everything is Rama for me. Rama, he calls me his friend. Ana, to me, he is my guru. He is my God. He is my mother, father. He is everything to me. Adanala, soham priyasakam ramam shayanam sahasitaya rakshishyami dhanushpani sarvato jnatibissaha. Along with all my kinsmen with bows and arrows in our hands, we will protect Rama, my dear friend Rama, along with Sita. You sleep. You sleep. There is nothing is unknown to me in this whole forest. Every place I have gone. I know every place in this forest. Even if a great army comes to attack us, we will be ready. Don't worry. You sleep. Abadinu Guha is asking Lakshmana to sleep. And Lakshmana Tukam Varma. Guha's heart is moved by Lakshmana's plight and he asks Lakshmana to sleep. And Lakshmana, no. Lakshmana children, you've understood me wrongly. I am certainly confident of your protection. I have no doubts as to your strength or your protection. Lakshmanastam tadovacha rakshamanas tvayanagha natra bhita vayam sarve dharmameva nupashyata. Looking at your heart, looking at your dharmic attitude, we have no fear whatsoever. We are safe only. Anal katam dasharatau bhumau shayane sahasitaya Shakya Nidra Maya Labdum Jivitam Va Sukhani Va. After looking at my brother Rama, my godlike brother Rama and the divine Sita lying, sleeping on the ground, how can I get any sleep? How can I have any enjoyment in this life? How can I have life itself? Even gods and Rakshasas cannot face this Rama in battle, but look at the way in which he is lying, reclining upon the bare ground. Verum grass போட்டு படுத்துட்டு இருக்கானே. Along with Sita is lying down like this. Alas, அப்படின்னு சொல்லி, because of the friendship that he has with Guha, he narrates everything. Tatahi satyam bruvati prajahite narendra putre guha Guru Sauhridat Guhaha Mumoja Bashpam Vyasanabi Pidito Jvaraturo Naga Iva Vyathaturaha. Because of the friendship that they shared, Lakshmana did not hide anything. The entire story of how they happened to come to the forest was narrated by Lakshmana to Guha. And both of them spent the night in tears, in sorrow, in grief at the turn of events that has caused such a divine couple like Rama and Sita to leave the pleasures and the comforts of the forest, of the palace, and come to the forest here. But next morning, Rama gets up and tells Lakshmana, Lakshmana, morning has come. This is the appropriate time, we need to cross to the other side of Ganga. Abdini Challi. Immediately, Guha, because he was living in the banks of the river, they were all experts. Padagoti, Abdini Namma Tamil Chalo, Arvargalam Padagoti nan Chodra, Guhana. We call him the boatman. Kevat. Hindi Kuda Tulsidas speaks about it very profusely. He calls him Kevat. Kevat abdina, the boatsman, one who crosses people across ferries, them across the river. Adala listening to Rama wanting to cross the ocean of the river abdinodane, immediately Guha gets boats ready so that they all can cross. Best boat, this is the boat for you. You may use this boat to go across to the other side of Ganga. எல்லாம் போட்ல ஏற போறா இல்லையா, they are all going to get onto the boat. அப்போ சுமந்திரருக்கு ஒரு கேள்வி வந்துடுது. சுமந்திரா comes running, என்னது போட்டா, you are all getting onto the boat, then what do I do? ஏன்னா chariot is there, horses are there, I have come with you, you are getting onto the boat, all these things cannot get onto the boat. நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன், what are we going to do, what am I to do அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறார். किमहं करवाणीति सूतः प्राञ्जलिरब्रवीत्. किमहं करवाणी, நான் என்ன பண்ணணும், what should I do அப்படின்னா உடனே ராமா looks at him and says, Prishan karenottam dakshinena. With his beautiful right hand, with his noble right hand, Rama touches Sumanthara. தொட்டு பேசுறார் ராமர். எல்லாம் ஒரு சௌஹார்தம், தள்ளியிலிருந்து இப்படின்னு இல்லை, தொட்டு அவவா கையை பிடிச்சிட்டு, holding Sumanthara's hand, clasping Sumanthara's hand, he says, Sumanthara, Shigram punare vayahi, go back again to Ayodhya and serve the king, look after the king. Be careful in looking after the king, do not be inattentive in serving the king. You have done so much for us. It is the right time for you to return now. I will leave the chariot here in your safeguard and I will go walking into the forest. Why do we need chariot in the forest? There are no big chariot ways, roadways have not been laid in the forest for us to go in the chariot. Through the trees and mountains we've got to go. Adanale walk is best for us. You go back with the chariot and the horses. அப்படின்னு உடனே சுமந்தரர் ரொம்ப துக்கம் வந்துடுத்து. Sumanthara became very unhappy, very sad. He thought, I alone am lucky. All the Ayodhya people were left behind, but I have the opportunity. I'll be spending time with Rama. All 14. அவர் யோசிக்கவே இல்லை, அவருக்கு thought வரல அவருக்கு. In fact, there was no thought at all. அவனுடைய ஸ்டேட்டஸ் their state at that time was, he had not planned what he is going to do also. அப்பா கிளம்பி வந்துட்டார். ராமா லக்ஷ்மணன் at least would have packed something, ஒரு சேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் க்ளோத். சுமந்திரா ஒன்றும் இல்லை, அவர் பாட்டு கிளம்பி வந்துட்டார். வான கிளம்பி, no thought what am I going to do அப்படிங்கிற ஸ்டேட் அது. அதனால when Rama tells him go back now, ஒரு non-plussed state, is confused because he has not thought that far. He doesn't want to go back, but he has not thought about going forward. He doesn't know anything. What is the நான் என்ன பண்ணணும், what should I do now? Go back. Go back அப்படின்னு உடனே அவர் சொல்றார், நமன்யே பிரம்மச்சர்யே அஸ்தி ஸ்வதீதே வா ஃபலோதயः மார்தவார்ஜவயோர்வாபி த்வாம் சேத் வியசனமாகதம். துக்கம், lot of sorrow is there in his heart. அதனால Sumantra says to Rama, ஒரு frustration, in a moment of frustration he says, I think leading an austere life, brahmachari life, studying the Vedas, having uprightness in character, etc., ella useless. None of it is of any use, because having done all of that, look what has come to you, look at your plight. In Gurukulam you spend so much time serving the Guru, you observed the brahmacharya vrata, you studied the Vedas, you developed outstanding character. Ellam useless arke na phalodayaha. None of this I believe gives any fruit, because you have come to the forest. Anal, having said that, no one else in this world will be able to take to the change of circumstances in the way you have taken to it. So easily you have entered into the forest without being affected. Rendum change solrar. Appo enna artham na, what is the fruit of all of the previous ones? This attitude is the fruit. Do you understand? Sumantra says, what is the use of all the dharma that you have practiced? What is the use of developing such an extraordinary character, straightforwardness, uprightness, and so on? What is the use of having served the Guru? Ella kadasili you have come to difficulty. Difficulty is not because of all of this. Difficulty is because of our karma. But how we are able to deal with that karma, how we are able to deal with the situation that life has given us, is what is dependent upon all the previous mentioned good qualities that have been cultivated by Rama. Because he has done all of that, even though such a great difficulty has come, he is able to smile in the midst of it. அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Seeing Rama ready to depart, Sumantra starts to cry like a little child. But in order to assuage his heart, console him, he says, there is only one reason why I am asking you to go back. You should understand, you are my father's very good friend. No one else can look after my father the way you can look after. That is why if you are there, I will go to the forest happily. I will be at peace thinking you are there. Uncle is, Sumantra is there. அப்படின்னு எனக்கு சந்தோஷம் இருக்கும். அதனால you must return. When you go, please tell everybody I will come back within 14 years will pass like this. It will go away quickly. Tell my mother and tell all the other queens, including Kaikeyi, அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். Including Kaikeyi. अन्याश्च देवी सहिताः कैकेयीं च पुनः पुनः एवं उक्त्वा तु राजानं मातरं च सुमन्त्र मे अन्याश्च देवी सहिता कैकेयीं च पुनः पुनः आरोग्यं ब्रूहि कौशल्यामथ पादाभिवन्दनं सीतया ममचार्यस्य वचनाल् लक्ष्मणस्य च. Please go and convey our regards to our father, our mother, to all the other queens, including Kaikeyi, again and again. Convey our respectful salutations of myself, of Sita and Lakshmana at the feet of my mother Kausalya. Tell my father to give up his grief quickly and ask for Bharata to come so that the coronation of Yuvaraja can be done quickly. Let him be made into the crown prince that way. Once Bharata and Shatrughna are there, he will not feel alone and empty. Though the two of us have gone away, two more sons are there, he will be able to be happy. Adhanala, you please tell Appa to get Bharata back quickly. And once Bharata comes, Sumantra, please tell Bharata that he should treat all the mothers in the same way, equally, without differentiating between them. Tell him just as you would treat Kaikeyi and Sumitra in a very special way, because Kaikeyi is Bharata's mother and Shatrugna's mother is Sumitra. Adanala these two will be given special treatment. The same way my mother Kausalya also should be treated. In this request of mine, this order of mine, you please convey to Bharata. Ramar children. Thirupati when he says go back, and our children, how can I go back? How can I go back? How can I go and face the king? How can I go and face the queen? How can I go back? Everybody will be waiting. How can I drive this chariot back into Ayodhya? I do not have the guts to do it. I will establish a little hut here itself. I will wait here. 14 years, you said 14 years will go like this. Let 14 years go like this. When you come back, I will pick you up in the same spot and take you back. I cannot go. What can I say? As soon as I go, your mother Kausalya will ask me, where did you leave Rama? Aham kim chapi vakshyami devim tavasute suvasuto maya nito sau matulakulam santapam makrita asatyam abhinaivagam bruyam vachanamidrusham. What can I do? When I go there and Kausalya will ask me, what happened to my son Rama? What happened to my Sita? Don't worry, I left them all at your brother's place. Can I simply lie to her that I have left you all at your uncle's place? If I tell them that I left you in the middle of the forest, how can I bear to look at the reaction of Kausalya? I don't have the courage to do it. That is why I cannot go back. Either I will come with you into the exile, otherwise if both are not acceptable to you, I will light a fire here. I will enter into the fire along with the chariot and the horses. Please tell me only one. I don't want to listen to all of these things. Dharma, all that you have got to say to me, stay here. If that much if you say, it is enough. Even the horses will be of some service to you. They will be able to render some service to you in the forest. I believe that if these horses could render some kind of service to you, they will also attain prapsyanti paramam gatim. Paricharyam karishyanti prapsyanti paramam gatim. If these horses can be of some service to you, Rama, in the forest, they will attain the highest to supreme goal. They will attain moksha. Paricharyam karishyanti prapsyanti paramam gatim. Yadi. How do we attain the highest state? Only through seva we attain the highest state. Paricharya kainkaryam manavu varam. Guru seva bina nirvana nahi. Seva illama nirvanam kadiyadu. The highest state of nirvana sthiti, highest state is not accomplished through anything. It is only accomplished through service, because through rendering kainkaryam, rendering service, our ahankara is destroyed. Service is rendered only for one reason, ahankara destruction. That is the only purpose. Moham kshayamahunam only. Once ahankara is destroyed, then and there what is left is moksha only. That is why service is to be rendered. And then children, let us all of us be of service. He prays, don't forsake me, I am your servant. Adanala, do not forsake me. In many ways he is speaking. Analu, Rama, although Rama is very compassionate, Rama is also very dridhavrataha. Once he has taken a resolve, nobody can move him from that resolve. Appadi oru strength Ramanak. Adana Rama, despite all of these entreaties, somebody else aranda kuda seri vaango porum paravailla, it's okay, come. Appadi thoni padum illaya. All right, I cannot bear to see you like this, you come. Rama is not like that. Rama immediately sticks to his principles and he says, no, you return. Listen to me, please. Children, Shrunu, children, please listen. Janami paramam bhaktim mayite bhartuvatsala Shrunu chapi yadartam tvam preshyami puri mitaha. I understand, I know how much you love me, how much devotion you have towards me, I know. But at the same time, there is a reason why I am asking you to go back. I will tell you the reason. Listen to me. When नगरीं त्वां गतं दृष्ट्वा जननी मे यवीयसी कैकेयी प्रत्ययो गच्छेदिति रामो वनं गतः परितुष्टा हि सा देवी वनवासं गते मयि राजानं नातिशङ्केति मिथ्यावादीति धार्मिकम्. If you go back with the empty chariot, only then will Kaikeyi Mata be convinced that I have gone to the forest. Until then, she will keep torturing my father. You have not given the promise. You are a liar. You are a liar. She will keep torturing him in order to give some peace to my father. You have got to go back. Illana ava namba mata. You, they will believe when you go back to say he has gone to the forest with Channatnan, they will believe. Adanala, please go. Go, bring children. Munijurtu is said whatever he has to say to Sumantra, he turns to Guha. Guhana Pata Chodar, Guha, I have got to go to deeper into the forest. Guha Chodar, inge thangala me. Yeah, why not stay here? Why not stay here? Namba Nanaliya. Inge thangi udala me. We can stay here itself. Thambi ni shoni olyo. You said I am your best friend. You said I am your brother. All that you said, then why don't you stay here itself? Why do you have to go to the forest? The forest where people are living is not suitable for my stay because I have been told that I should go and live in the Nirjana Aranya. The people-less forest have to go. Desolate wilderness I have to go. Adanale, I will go and live in an ashramatla poi iruken. Avashyam hi ashrame vasaha. Ashramatla poi irukonum. We want to live not in samsara, we want to go live in ashrama. Adanale, make the necessary arrangements for that. I have to live the life as per the prescribed rules for tapasvis, ascetics, rishis. And for that I have to also dress like a rishi. Already we are wearing the matted, the barks, but one thing is left, matted locks are necessary. Ena kapakshadaram veeram kutila kuntalamana abdiye the beautiful hair of Rama, everybody lost their hearts to just simply Rama's hair and hairstyle. Yeah. Kakapakshadaram Veeram Ramam Abdinar. Vishwamitra Maharshi came and said, that boy with good hairstyle, you give him to me. When he walked into Mithilapuri, Janaka Maharaja looked at him and said, who is this boy with this extraordinary hairstyle? Abdine Katar. Kakapakshadaram, Kakapakshadaram, Kakapakshadaram. Ellarkum Ramarudia hair mela kandu. Ellarum but drishtiyo enamo theriyala iniki ellam jadamudiya agaporuthu. All the people have cast their bura nazar on Rama's hair. Now what is happening? Rama says to Guha, there is a banyan tree, Vatavriksha mangarke. Bring me the sap of the Vatavriksha. Sticky sap of Vatavriksha. He brings that latex, that sap. Rama takes that Tatshiram Rajaputraya Guha Kshipra Mupaharate. Lakshmanasyatmanaschaiva Ramastena karojjataha. Rama immediately applied that sap onto his hair. That sticky sap irukradhanaala what does it do appadina? It starts to make the hair all matted into matted locks. Adu appadi kattindar Ramar. He tied those matted locks up onto his hair. Anyway, 14 years ki ippadha irukapurthu. 14 years matted lock Jataj Juta Saranathan. Rama is going to spend his time. Not only did he do it for himself, he also did it to Lakshmana. Lakshmanasya Atmanaschaiva. Lakshmana also and to himself, he did that as the matted log Ji Dirgabahur Naravyagro Jatilatvamadharayat Tautada Chiravasano Jata Mandaladharino Ashobetam Rishi Samau Brataro Rama Lakshmano. Rama and Lakshmana, the two brothers, how are they looking? Now with the matted locks, with the bark clothing and so on, they are looking like rishis. And Rishi Kumara and Karamadri come two rishis standing there. Having adopted the Tato Vaikanasam Argamastitaha Saha Lakshmana, having accepted the way of life of ascetics, Rama tells Guha, now I will take leave of you also, but take good care of yourself. Be vigilant about your army, your treasury, your forts, your provinces, etc. Protect your kingdom appropriately. Rama gives advice to Guha. permitting Guha also to leave Rama, Lakshmana and Sita get into that boat. Boat அங்க இருக்கு. எப்படி இருக்கு boat அப்படின்னா there is no any pier or anything where they can get on and get into the boat. அப்படிலாம் ஒண்ணும் இல்லை. boat மாத்திரம் இருக்கா. அதனால Rama is looking at that boat and saying, looking at Lakshmana, he says, Satu drishtva nadi tire navamikshvakunandanaha tirteshu shigragam gangam idam Lakshmanam abravit. The boat has been tied. It is standing there in the water and the water is flowing very swiftly. Ganga and the water shigrama போறதா. Fast flowing river Ganga. Adala this boat is stationed இல்லையா. அதனால Rama looks at Lakshmana and says, Arohatvam naravyagra sthitam navam imam shanaihi. Lakshmana, you get into it first. முதல்ல நீ ஏன் நின்னுக்கோ. You get into it. அதுக்கப்புறம் சீதாம் ச ஆரோப்யான் வக்ஷோ பரிகிருஹ்ய மனஸ்வினீம். Then we will help Sita get into this boat. You get into it and you hold it steady so that then Sita can also get into it step by step. Shanaihi கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா மெதுவா Sita will get into it. அப்படின்னு சொல்ற. உடனே listening to that command, immediately Lakshmana gets into it. Then Rama helps Sita get into the boat. அதுக்கப்புறம் he gets into it. இது டீடைல், சின்ன மைனர் டீடைல். ஆனால் அழகாக அதை வர்ணிக்கிறார். Valmiki explains this with such beauty. இல்லையா? So that we can actually see it in front of our eyes. Boat is there. அதில் வந்து you first get into it Lakshmana. அப்படின்னா Lakshmana got into it. கொஞ்சம் அப்படி இப்படி ஆடும் இல்லையா, வப்ளியாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் he is stabilized it now. After getting into it, he stabilized it. He is standing there probably with two legs apart so that he is balancing himself on that rapidly moving boat. அதில் நின்று எங்கேயோ ஒரு இடத்துல பிடிச்சிட்டு holding on to something, is held on. பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்க. அங்கேருந்து சீதா வரா. அதுக்கு Rama is helping Sita get into it. இங்கேருந்து Lakshmana is receiving Sita. அதுக்கப்புறம் Rama gets into the boat. அப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா Sita is not getting to it first. Sita is not getting in last. ஏன்னா she will not know how to get in last. She will not know how to get in first. அதனால somebody is already there, then Sita, then Rama. அப்படின்னு ஒரு அழகான ஒரு திருஷ்யம். We are able to see it in front of our eyes. இப்படியா Sita is also helped into that boat. There is a boatsman. A boatman is there. He is going to ferry them across to the other side. So Rama bids farewell to Sumantra, to Guha, gets into the boat with this, where the boatman is, and they set off. And as they, propelled by strong oars, as this boat is setting off to cross the fast, swift flowing waters of Ganga, அப்படி mid stream வருது. When it comes to middle of the stream, madhyam tu samanuprapya bhagiratyastvanandita vaidehi pranjalir bhutva tam nadim idam abravit. Mid stream, as they are crossing, Sita looks at the river Ganga, joins her palms together in salutation and offers her prayer to Ganga. Putro dasharatasyayo maharajasya dhimataha nidesham parayitvemo gange tu abhirakshitaha chaturdashi varshani samagranyushya kanane bhratra sakamaya chaiva punah pratyagamishyati tatastvam devi subhage kshemena punaragata यक्ष्ये प्रमुदिता गंगे सर्वकाम समृद्धिनी त्वं हि त्रिपदगा देवी ब्रह्मलोकं समीक्षसे भार्या चोदधिराजस्य लोकेऽस्मिन् संप्रदृश्यसे सा त्वां देवी नमस्यामि प्रशंसामि च शोभने प्राप्त राज्ये नरव्याग्रे शिवेन पुनरागते गावां शतसहस्राणि वस्त्राण्यन्नं च पेशलं ब्राह्मणेभ्यः प्रदास्यामि तव प्रियचिकीर्षया सुरागटसहस्रेण मांसभूतौदनेन च यक्ष्ये त्वां प्रयता देवी पुरीं पुनरुपागता यानी त्वत्तीरवासीन दैवतानि च सन्ति तानि सर्वाणि यक्ष्यामि तीर्थान्यायतनानि च पुनरेव महाबाहुर्मया भ्रात्रा च संगतः अयोध्यां वनवासात्तु प्रविश्यत्वनघो नघे. Sita prays to Ganga. Hey Ganga, O Devi Ganga, protected by you, let this son of Dasharatha fulfill his father's commands, and along with his brother, after living for full 14 years in the forest, let him return safely. And after he returns, he will worship you in gratitude. Ma Devi, you start in Brahmaloka and flow all the way to the ocean in the world of mortals. To you I offer my salutations, my adorations, my praise. After the safe return of all of us from the forest, I will offer you extraordinary puja. I will give you 100,000 cows, clothing, food to Brahmanas. I will give as a mark of regard to you. Hopefully that will please you. After my return to Ayodhya, I shall worship you by offering 1,000 pots of sura and food in the form of meat. எல்லாம் கொடுக்கிறேன் உனக்கு. Articles, food, etc. I will offer. I will worship all the gods, deities that are established on your banks, the various temples that are established on your banks. All those deities also we will worship. Make sure you give us your blessing so that we return safely after 14 years. Abdini, she addresses the river. Adukulla, they reach the other side. When they get down from the boat to the other side, Rama gives extra instructions to Lakshmana. Lakshmana, for the first time we have come into the forest. Now we've left all civilization, all habitation. We've come to the forest. So the solitary places, they are desolate places. These are new places. We've never been here before. We've got to be extra vigilant with respect to our protection. We never know what kind of dangers may lurk in this forest. So be careful. He tells Lakshmana. He also gives an order. He says, Lakshmana, let Sita follow you. You go in the front. Sita will follow you. And after that, I will follow Sita and keep watch. You are the vanguard. முன்னாடி நீ, பின்னாடி நான் அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும் இது. ஏன்னா when Rama enters into Dandakaranya forest, all the good places எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவார்னா, ராமா இப்போலாம் they are going to go now. They are going to go to Bharadwaj ashrama, Valmiki ashrama, Chitrakutam எல்லாம் போகிறார். அதனால what Rama does is he places Lakshmana in the front, then Sita, then himself. This is the order in which they are going to go. The reason for that is all the rishis, Rama wants first the rishi Kataksham to fall upon Lakshmana. Lakshmana should go first and receive the grace of all the rishis. அதனால Lakshmana முன்னாடி வச்சிட்டு அப்புறம் Sita அப்புறம் லாஸ்ட்ல தானோ. Later on when they get into Dandakaranya forest, which is the haunt of all the Rakshasas, Rama will go in the front. Then Sita, then Lakshmana. ஏன் அப்படின்னா அங்கெல்லாம் ராட்சசால I will take care of all the Rakshasas. Rishis எல்லாம் you go get the blessings of the Rishis. Where the Rakshasas are there, I will take care of the Rakshasas. அப்படின்னா அங்க Rama is in the front, இங்க Rama is in the back. இப்படியா this is the order. Rama decides and says, you go in the front. Let Sita come behind you. I will follow you and Sita and keep watch. இப்படிதான் mutual protection நம்ம பண்ணணும். You and me, we have ourselves not known much difficulty in the forest. Those days we have gone, but many years have passed. Sitayo, she has never gone. She has never gone. Adhanal only now she will have to start getting used to the difficulties of the forest. Let us make it as easy as possible for her. Abdini Chanadhanal, immediately listening to these words, Shutva Ramasya Vachanam Prataste Lakshmanogrataha Anantaram cha Sitaya Raghavo Raghunandanaha. They said this, go forth in this order. Lakshmana first, Sita next, and Rama right at the end. இப்போ அப்படி போகும்போது அந்த பக்கம் on the other side of Ganga, Sumantra is still watching. Sumantra has not gone back, he is still sitting, he is still standing there. அங்கேருந்து பார்க்குறார், overcome with grief. He shed tears, he is watching them. அப்படி டாடா டாடா அப்படி காமிச்சுனே அப்பப்போ ராமனை திரும்பி பாய் 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 சொல்லு. அப்படி அங்கேயும் டாடா டாடா. இப்படியா having crossed the river, finally they are now by themselves. Everybody has gone away. இவ மாத்திரம் தான், they are all going. 3 of them going into the forest, famished. பாவம், ரொம்ப பசியா, very hungry. तौ तत्र गत्वा चतुरो महामृगान् वराहमृष्यौ पृषतौ महारुरुम् आदाय मेद्यौ त्वरितौ बुभुक्षतौ आसाय काले ययुतुर्वनस्पतिम्. Famished as they were, what did they do? They killed 4 kinds of animals: a boar, or antelope, or a spotted deer, and then another deer. They cooked it and they ate the food. Now, you may not immediately think, oh, did Rama eat meat? நம்மளும் சாப்பிடலாமோ அப்போ? Then we also can eat meat because Rama ஏற்பின கற்பார் ராமபிரானை எல்லாரும் மற்றும் கற்பரோ இல்லையா? You have to learn from Rama. அதனால Rama eats hamburger. போர்னா hamburger தானே, wild boar சாப்பிட்டா. There's a difference, the Shastras say the wild boar can be eaten but not the domesticated pig. அது சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. Pork should not be eaten. Wild boar ஓட மீட் வேறையா, வேற கேட்டகரி, அது பன்னி கிடையாது. So it can be eaten. நமக்கு இல்லை, not for us. க்ஷத்ரியால வாழலாம். They were all Kshatriyas, not for sadhakas like us. They were allowed to eat ங்கிறதுனால they hunted in the forest and whatever food they could get, they cooked that food and they ate it. Did சந்தியாவந்தனம். நான் மாம்சம்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு, மானை சாப்பிட்டு, பன்னியை சாப்பிட்டு சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணிவிட்டு. ஏன்னா ஆப புரந்து பிருத்திவி பூதா புனந்து மாம் புனந்து பிரம்மணஸ்பதி பிரம்ம பூதா புனந்து மாம் எல்லாம் let this water purify me. ஏது உச்சிஷ்டமெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டதுக்கெல்லாம் எல்லாம் whatever அபோஜ்யம் சாப்பிட்டதெல்லாம், let all of those food let me be purified for despite all the food that I've eaten சொல்லிட்டு தான் மந்திரமே. எத்வா துஷ்சரிதம் வமா எல்லாத்துக்கும் க்ளீன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் அந்த ஆபம் வாட்டர். That night, evening, Sandhya was done, and then the first night they are staying there. அங்கே உட்காந்துக்கிறதுக்கு ராமர் இவர் சொல்கிறார், ஏன்னா இது வரைக்கும் people have been there இல்லையா, all the time people have been there. Now the first time they are alone, the 3 of them alone are there. Satam vriksham samasadya sandhya manvasya paschimam ramo ramayatam sreshta iti hovacha lakshmanam. Ramo ramayatam sreshtaha. Rama, who is able to bring delight to everybody, started speaking to Lakshmana. Lakshmana kitta pechara, Lakshmana, you have to spend the first time away from Sumantra and all other people. Paravalle, don't worry. Lakshmana, from now on, we must be very vigilant during the night. We should not be sleeping. Welfare and safety of Sita depends upon us both. Somehow we have to pass this night sleeping on the ground with whatever we have procured them. Then he starts speaking to Lakshmana in a very strange way. He says, Lakshmana, Paho, imagine how father should be tonight. We have come away. We do not know in what state of mind our king, our father Dasharatha Maharaja is. He must be having a painful sleep tonight. Anna Kaikeyi should be very happy. All her desires would have been fulfilled. She should be very happy. After Bharata comes, I hope the next step is Bharata will only be made the Yuvaraja. I don't know whether that is enough for Kaikeyi or not. He is still only a crown prince. Father will still be the main king. What if she decides to kill our father and make Bharata the king? Will she do that? Sahi Devi Maharajam Kaikeyi Rajya Karanat Apicha अपि न चावयेत् प्राणान् दृष्ट्वा भरतमागतम् अनाथश्च हि वृद्धश्च मया चैव विनाकृतः किं करिष्यति कामात्मा कैकेयी वशमागतः. Anathascha, all alone, Vriddhascha, old, Maya chaiva vinakritaha, separated from me, Kamatma, the one filled with desire, our father, what will he do? Under the influence of Kaikeyi, Kamatma, ஒன் வித் டிசையர் அப்படின்னா என்ன டிசையர்னா டிசையர் டு மேக் மீ கிங், அந்த டிசையர். காமானா இங்கே லஸ்ட் இல்லை. தசரதா இஸ் நாட் சச் அ பர்சன். காமாத்மான்னு அவன் அப்பவே ராமர் சொல்லுவாரா, அவர் ஃபாதர் இஸ் அ காமாத்மான்னு சொல்லுவாரா? இல்லை. என்ன காமம்னா டிசையர். என்ன டிசையர்னா he still wants me to be the king. ஆனாலோ கைகேயி அம்மா wants Bharata to be the king. அதனால will there be a conflict between them? What is going to happen? What will our old father do? Because he still harbors the desire to make me king, whereas she wants to make Bharata king. So in what plight, what state will our father be? இதை நினச்சா I think I'm very sad, I'm very worried about that. ஒரு விதத்தில் நினச்சி பார்த்தோன்னா ஐ எம் a bit scared also. அவர் சொல்கிறார், காமயேவார்த்த தர்மாபியாம் கரீயானிதி மே மதிஹி கோஹ்ய வித்வான் அபிபுமான் பிரமதாயாஹ கிருதே த்யஜேத் சந்தானுவர்த்தினம் புத்திரம் தாத்தோ மாமிவ லக்ஷ்மண. Lakshmana, under the influence of his wife, which man, even if he is absolutely, totally ignorant, even if he is ignorant, even a stupid man will not give up a son like me. Ramar Shankar, listening to the words of a woman, even a stupid, uneducated, illiterate man will not give up a son like me, who always is listening to obedient and faithful. சந்தானுவர்த்தினம் புத்திரம் தாத்தோ மயா மாமிவ லக்ஷ்மணா. என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு பிள்ளை யாராவது இப்படி அனுப்புவாடா காட்டுக்கு? Will any father send a son like me to the forest, listening to the words of a woman? Sukhi bhata sabharyascha bharata kekeyi sutah. Bharata will be very happy. Bharata along with his wife will enjoy all the luxuries and the pleasures of Ayodhya. Raja is old, I have to live in the forest. Bharata will therefore have the full control of the entire kingdom. Artha dharmau parityajya kamam anuvartate. ஆனாலும் ராமர் சொல்றார் இங்க, ஏவம் ஆபத்யதே க்ஷிப்ரம் ராஜா தசரதோ யதா. A king who gives up dharma and comes under the influence of a wife, of a woman, will reach such a plight as Dasharatha. Will reach a plight like Dasharatha. I think Kaikeyi has come to our family only to destroy our father Dasharatha and separate our family in this manner. எனக்கு என்ன தெரியுமா பயமா இருக்கு? You know what I'm afraid of? With the success that has come to her, everything she wanted has happened. She'll be intoxicated with that success. What will she not subject my mother Kausalya to? Even Sumitra to some extent இருந்தாலும் Lakshmana, at least Shatrugna would be there, but even then Sumitra on my account, just because Sumitra Amma is friendly with Kausalya Amma, I'm sure she will also have to suffer. I don't want your mother Sumitra to suffer for my sake. Adanala, you do one thing. Tomorrow, you return to Ayodhya. Itani சொன்னது காரணம் என்னன்னா, all of this has been told to Lakshmana only for this sake. He says, tomorrow you do one thing, you better go to Ayodhya. ஏன்னா எனக்கு பயமா இருக்கு. I'm scared. I do not know what will happen to Kausalya. I do not know what will happen to Dasharatha Maharaja. அதனால I would feel much more comfortable if you are back there. Along with Sita, I will go to the forest. நீ போய் அந்த கௌசல்யா காப்பாத்துப்பா. I will look after Sita here, you look after Kausalya there. Shudra karma hi Kaikeyi dveshyamanyam yamacharet paridadya hi dharmagne bharate mama mataram. Kaikeyi is a woman of cruel deeds. And out of her enmity and hostility, she will find some way or the other to ill-treat my mother. If such a thing happens, then make sure that you go and tell Bharata, who is a Dharmatma, to look after my mother. Entrust my mother to her care, to his care. என்ன பாவம் பண்ணாலும் எங்க அம்மா, I do not know what sin my mother has committed in her past birth. I do not know which child she separated from the mother that she has to undergo the suffering for herself. She nurtured me, she brought me up, she went through all the difficulties when I was a young child, and she brought me up, and finally when she was able to, when the time had come for her to enjoy the fruits of her labor, everything went in vain. She had to suffer the sorrow of separation from her son. அப்படி இருக்கும் பொழுது சி திகஸ்துமாம், I feel ashamed of myself. May no mother have a son like me because I am giving so much sorrow to my mother. அதனால எந்த அம்மாக்கும் no mother should have a son like me. ஏதோ ஒரு பாட்டு பாடுவாளே அந்த தெலுங்குல ஒரு பாட்டு, రామన్న రాముడు కోదండ రాముడు శ్రీరామచంద్రుడు వచ్చాడురా సీతమ్మ తల్లితో వచ్చాడురా, அதுலன்னு வரும். రామయ్య వంటి బిడ్డ కావాలనే సీతమ్మ తల్లి రామయ్య వంటి బిడ్డ, ఐ వాంట్ అ సన్ లైక్ రామ அப்படின்னு everybody is praying. அப்படின்னா ராமா சொல்றா I should not, no mother should have a son like me. Everybody say, oh, I want a son like Rama. அப்படின்னு every mother is asking. And Rama is saying, no mother should have a son like me because look at the grief that I have given. My mother has got lesser fortune and more grief than a woman without any son at all. அதனால what is the use of such a son like me who cannot render any service to her? She is unlucky. Even though I have got the strength of arms to conquer all of Ayodhya or lay waste to all of Ayodhya, still I have been banished to the forest. ஏன் அப்படின்னா I am afraid of adharma. I am afraid to commit adharma. Therefore, I always stick by dharma. That is the reason why, although I have the power to destroy Ayodhya, I did not do so. I followed the path of dharma and I came. நீ கிளம்பி போயிடு. You go back to Ayodhya. At least you go to Ayodhya. At least you can look after Kausalya and Sumitra and our father. நீ போப்பா. You go back. அப்படின்னு Rama tells Lakshmana. அதை கேட்டோடனே லக்ஷ்மணா, ஏன்னா எப்பவுமே என்ன தெரியுமா, there is always tests around Bhagavan. At all points in time there is a test of resolve, of determination, of our love. எப்போ பாரு டெஸ்ட் நடந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். We have got to have the discrimination and understand what Bhagavan wants. அந்த க்ஷணத்தில் பகவான் என்ன வேணுங்கிறத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சுக்கணும். What does he want? We should know when to follow, when to disobey. When to obey and when to disobey we should know, because we should know whether this is an instruction or a test. If it is a test, we should disobey. If it is an instruction given, then we should obey. தெரியணும், அதுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியணும். அதுக்கெல்லாம் you should be in tune with the Hridayam of Bhagavan. If you are not in tune with Bhagavad Hridayam, we will not know the difference. Rama is telling Lakshmana, you go back, giving a lot of reasons. Sumantararku இதே தான் சொன்னார். The same thing he told Sumantara. Sumantara said, oh, அழுதுண்டே டாடா பை பை சொல்லிட்டார். லக்ஷ்மணனுக்கும் அதே தான் சொல்றார். After having crossed, he says, Lakshmana, boat is still here, you go back. நீ கிளம்பிட்டு பேசாம ரிட்டர்ன் ஃபெரியில் போயிடு. ரிட்டர்ன் டிக்கெட் வாங்கின மாதிரி இருக்கும். திரும்பி போயிடு நீ. Go back in the return ferry. Return அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே லக்ஷ்மணன் சொல்றான், அதுக்கும் the way Rama presents it is very emotional. Rama doesn't simply say, Lakshmana, you go back. illa Lakshmana, what a pity. What kind of a mother is my mother? What sin did she do that I should be born to her as a son? என்ன கஷ்டப்படுறாளோ பாவம். That கைகை, sinful woman, கைகை, she will be so happy. She will ill-treat my mother. இல்லையா? She will ill-treat my mother. பயங்கர ரைவல்ரி வாத்துல சண்டை நிறைய இருக்கான். ஏன்னா அவர் சொல்றார், மன்யே பிரீதி விசிஷ்டா சாவத்தோ லக்ஷ்மண ஷாரிகா யஸ்யா श्रूयते वाक्यं शुकपादमरेर्दश. Rama சொல்றார், I believe that the myna and the parrot அவங்ககிட்ட பெட் பேர்ட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர் இன் கௌசல்யாஸ் ஹவுஸ். ஒரு மைனாவும் பேரட்டும் இருக்கு. யஸ்யாஹா அப்புறம் சுகஹா, இது ரெண்டும் இருக்கு. They will talk to each other, it seems. And what will it say? அப்படின்னா listening to the banishment of Rama, or listening to the fact that Rama has gone to the forest, the birds will talk to each other and say, go and bite that foot of that enemy Kaikeyi அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ காலை கடி, அவ காலை கடி, இப்போ கொத்து அவ காலை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Like that the bird will say. That bird, I think, has got more love for my mother than I have, because at least the bird is trying in some way to give some joy to her mother. I'm not able to do anything. அப்படின்னா அப்படியே சொல்லி வளர்த்துருக்கா போட்டிருக்கு. அவன் என்ன அவள் காலை கடினே சொல்லு. கோ பெக்கர் ஃபுட், கோ பெக்கர் ஃபுட் அப்படின்னா அவ்வளோ துக்கம் போட்டிருக்கா அவளுக்கு. But here Lakshmana tells Rama, you should not become so emotional like this. By doing so, இப்படிலாம் நீ சொல்லப்படாது. ध्रुवमध्यपुरी ध्रुवमध्यपुरी राजन् अयोध्या युधिनांवर निष्प्रभा त्वयि निष्क्रान्ते गतचन्द्रेव शर्वरि नैतदौपयिकं राम यदिदं परितप्यते विषादयसि सीतां च मां चैव पुरुषर्षभा. Rama, you should not speak like this, because you are frightening both me and Sita. You are disheartening both of us. You are making both of us doubt. என்ன ஆச்சு அப்படின்னு? You should not speak like this. ஒன்று சொல்கிறேன், I will tell you something. You ask me to go back, but let me tell you something. Then after that you decide what to do. न च सीता त्वया कीना न चाहमपि राघव मुहूर्तमपि जीवावो Jalan matsyan vinodhrudau. Just as a fish that has been taken out of water cannot survive, like that me and Sita cannot survive without you for even a muhurtam. Even for a short period of time, we will not be able to live without. Nahi tatam na shatrugnau na sumitram parantapa drashtumichyamadhyaho swargam chapi tvaya vina. Today, without you, I do not want to see my father. I do not want to see my twin brother like Shatrughna. I do not wish to see Sumitra, my mother. I do not want to go to heaven. All I want is you. I want to be with you. வேற ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம் எனக்கு. I do not want anything else. அப்படின்னு சொன்னான். அவ்வளோதான். அதுக்கப்புறம் ராமர் மாதிரி பேச்சு பேசலையா. ராமா did not say anything. All of them laid down and slept. ஒன்றும் பேசுறதுக்கு இல்லை. ஏன்னா ச லக்ஷ்மணஸ்ய तव पुष्कलं वचो निशम्य चैवं वनवासमादरात् समस्ता विदते परन्तपः प्रपद्य धर्मो सुचिराय राघवः. Listening to those words of Lakshmana, எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, உத்தம புஷ்கலம் வச்சஹ, beautiful words of Lakshmana, true words of Lakshmana, words that come from the sincerity of the heart. சும்மா வாய் வாக்கு இல்லை, not mere empty words. அது ரியல் வேர்ட்ஸ் where he says, without you I will die. அப்புறம் உன் இஷ்டம், then do whatever you want. அப்போ என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்? then what can you say? அது சும்மா it is not emotional blackmail. people will say I will die, nothing will happen. அப்புறம் சொல்லி ஓகே டைன்னு சொன்னா அப்புறம் I will die. okay die, bye, die bye bye. என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? you what nonsense, no அப்படின்னா they will backtrack. And no, sincerity is not there. And Lakshmana அப்படி இல்லை. Rama knows. If Lakshmana says he will die, he will die. பாவம் அப்புறம் கஷ்டம். I better not send him. ஆனால் ஒரு டெஸ்ட். ஆனால் even here there is a test. எதுக்காக அந்த டெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னா, for what purpose this test அப்படின்னா, Bhagavan wants to always know whether wants us to know whether we are operating from the sincerity of our heart or just being carried away by emotion. அதனால the test, we will see more about it tomorrow. We'll stop here for tonight. जानकी कांत स्मरणं जय जय राम राम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम तत्सत्. श्री साई ईश्वरार्पणमस्तु.